Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark and today we're looking at the finished product of this buy-to-let conversion for social housing. So let's jump inside and have a look what's been going on. Okay, so this buy-to-let property, what we've had done, so we've had a full decoration on the actual full property. The other thing that's actually happened is, if we just have a look into here, we've actually had a new consumer unit going. That's all been put in there, so that's all up to standard as well with the metal casing, which is great. We've also replaced all the light switches, plug sockets, etc. So it's had a partial rewire. It didn't need a full rewire because the wiring was actually fine, but obviously some of the plug sockets were damaged. The consumer unit was completely out of date, so it wouldn't have passed. So basically we've got all that sorted as well. We have decorated the full property. What we haven't done is we haven't painted over these doors. The reason why these are actually really expensive doors, really good solid oak. So we changed all the door handles, so you can see the door handle quality is really, really good. So we're really happy with those. But looks good. I'm really happy with that finish. White walls, keep it nice and clean. What we have done is we've kept the actual laminate flooring. It was really in good condition, so we decided to actually keep that. We did think we had a bit of a damp issue over here, but actually it's fine. It's no problems at all. It was just, it's just because the property stood for a while anyway. So basically that's all fine. We've had people come in and look at that, so that's all signed off. Now the kitchen, the only thing really that's gone on in here is just clean, really. The kitchen's really good quality. The carcasses are really good quality. So the actual carcasses are that bit internally. So it's one thing to have a look at. If you are refurbishing a property and you're looking at replacing the kitchen, sometimes what actually happens is rather than replacing the whole kitchen, sometimes you can just replace the countertops, which you could save on quite a bit money, and you can replace the doors, okay? Now you have to make sure that the carcasses underneath are really, really solid. So you could save yourself a good couple of grand just doing that. Now in this instance with this, we don't have to need to do anything, just to clean. What has happened downstairs, we've got to put in a complete new bathroom suite. Now, because we're actually, for social, one of the requirements is because we're going to be putting either families or like a single mother with a child in, etc. We need to have a bath in rather than a shower. So previously, so we actually had, so if you want to see what this previous looked up, just click up here and you'll be able to have a look. But we used to have a shower here. We've just moved us around anyway. So, but let's jump upstairs and see what's going on up there. Okay, so we're upstairs. So this is a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. Okay, so upstairs, all we've done really, we've just decorated the full property. As I said, white walls, grey carpets up here. So we have carpeted both bedrooms and we've carpeted the stairs. So the carpet in here previously before just wasn't up to par, so we've got that all sorted. We have got obviously the boiler, we're leaving it in this bedroom. It's not really going to be used. But we did have an issue on the gas where we had to replace the hob downstairs just because it was leaking, so we had to replace that. So other than that, the CP12, the gas cert, has passed, which is good news. So we just followed through again, making sure door handles are all in symmetry with the doors. And we're in the final bedroom, well, the first main bedroom in here. So if you didn't actually see what this bedroom looked like previously before, make sure you go hit that like button, but also hit the link up here where you can see the first video that we've done on this. But loads of furniture in here. It's very compact, so I don't know how previous owners lived in here like that. But anyway, it's finished, so which is great. So the good thing about this, it is rented out fully. We've got a contract directly with a charity who's taken out on a 5-year lease, which is brilliant news because it means that our vendors don't have to worry about any contract leases, or sorry, any voids or anything like that. So we've been able to get that because of all the credibility that we have. We've done over 400 transactions over the last 9 years. So therefore we've got a good track record to provide consistent quality housing and also make sure that the charity, we've got that relationship that we built up over the years as well. So if you guys actually want to profit from UK property and you want it completely hands-off, then head to jenicproperty.com where we can book in a call to see how you can profit from UK property. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel and I'll see you next week.